Have to taste it without the cheese. Who is that? That's you? That's Taya?
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yes, that's Taya.
Tea.
You want tea? But guess what? We're going to try a lot of these snacks. You want to try these snacks? Whoa! Ah, look, there's a lot of snacks for you.
Banana chips.
What's that?
Banana chips.
Yes, that's banana chips. What else you have in front of you? What else you have in front of you?
Papa, the banana chips.
You having banana chips? Put your foot out. Wait. Whoa, all these are yours? What's this one?
No.
Eggnog. And what's this one? Supplegen. Yeah, that's supplegen. And what's this one? Tea biscuit. And what's this one? This one is police button.
Push a button.
Yeah. And what's this one? Tigers.
Good.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's snack time in our house, and since today is really cloudy outside, I'm just gonna show you outside in a bit. But today is looking really terrible. It's raining all day non-stopping. Bless you. So we decided that instead of doing our usual vlog, we're going to do my family trying Jamaican snack for the first time. Especially Tyler, well, and Babe. I don't think Babe tastes most of these snack that is here, so it's good that he's going to taste this snack and give his reaction. Tyler already want to pull it. You want to open it? Open it. Wait, Mama going to open it for you in just a bit. So I'm going to have Tyler taste and Babe. Dolphin. Bravo. He was saying dolphin in French. Dolphin. So I'm gonna have Tyler taste and Babe taste, and what Babe can do is give us a reaction, and if he have anything in France that tastes like these, or what he like about the taste, or what he doesn't like about the taste. Alright, so bravo. So since Tyler want the banana chips, we're going to do the banana chips first. You want banana chips?
Banana chips.
Banana chips, he call it. So of course you guys know banana chips is heaven to me, literally. When we were going to school, we used to pull the bag of banana chips. This one was my favorite, and then we used to add this into it and eat it together as a combo, and that is heaven. So I go ahead and taste banana chips. Eat, yes, dolphin. Eat a banana chips.
Is it the dolphin?
Yes, baby, dolphin. Eat banana chips. And this is not the first time I'm eating banana chips. I literally am not. Can you see that? I'm literally not eating the banana chips that came in my Jamaica package because he's in love with it. He doesn't even want to share. But you have to share. Wait.
Well, you like it.
He loves banana chips, but babe have to taste it. And it's not the first baby's eating banana chips either. So this one babe have had this one before. But I want him to tell me what, we've never really discussed what it tastes like. And if there's anything in France that tastes like that as French tradition.
This one is, I was waiting, I was expecting worse. I don't really taste the banana.
It's not the first you're eating this one, right? Is the first you're eating it?
I don't know.
I think so. Is
but
it?
it's okay, it's okay. I'm not a big fan. It tastes like chips, regular chips, but with I think it's the banana, but you don't taste banana with the other taste. Well, I prefer regular chips, just to be honest.
Okay.
But yeah.
Well, this is everything to us back home, especially as a kid. We love this. But Tyler is in love with this one. Okay, so this is another favorite of mine, bun and cheese. We call this one back home. I don't know what to describe this like to you guys. It's really like a bun, as I said. It's sweet and we add cheese in the middle, and I like to have mine a little bit warm to make it really scrumptious and yummy and just tastes good.
It's
so
warm now?
Yes, a little bit warm. However, it's not the Jamaica cheese that's in this, but it will do. So this is my favorite. Tyler has never, yes, Tyler tasted this one last night, but I don't think babe has ever tasted this one. I'm literally have to cover my mouth because I'm just salivating. I don't want you guys
Give me
to
a
see.
little piece.
So babe, we're gonna go ahead and taste. Normally we just bite this, a big bite. Wait Tyler, wait. Oh Lord. Alright, bite it. Bite it.
Tyler does
Tyler,
not
bite
bite.
it. Don't lick it, bite it. Bite it. Nah, look.
I want to taste it without.
Tyler was going. Have to taste it without the cheese. What? What it tastes like?
I can't describe, but
Does it taste like anything you have in France?
maybe we'll go closer to what they call pain d'épices.
Okay.
But I'm not definitely not my favorite.
Okay. Well, bun and cheese.
I can't finish the entire one. The biscuit piece I can finish it. But if you want more than that,
Okay.
I
Just
won't
have
be
it?
able- No. I won't steal your food.
I'm happy because he doesn't like this one because this one is one of my absolute favorite. In Jamaica, for who doesn't know, we'll have bun and cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Trust me, you guys. This,
The cheese.
when we have this when you have one of this and a drink, you're full. You're full for the session. You don't want anything else to eat. Trust me. And some people even will put a patty in between this. You want this one? Well, Tyler ready for the drink. So this one is another one of our favorite back
The
home.
cheese helped to eat it. Otherwise, I won't.
Yeah, that's the thing.
I won't even be able to
Okay,
touch
let me
it.
tell you, a lot of people can't eat it without the cheese because the cheese just give this it just make it taste really
It
good.
make you taste cheese and not the bomb.
And what some people
Sorry.
does when they buy this, they just take it out of the bag and squeeze it up in their hand and bite it and eat it as it is. Alright, so that's for the bun and cheese. Tyler wants to taste this. So this as a kid growing up in Jamaica, this is called suffragan. You want this one or this one?
This one.
This one? Okay, so let's do this one.
Mama.
Everybody should know eggnog, but this particular brand is yummy and I cannot get eggnog in France. So that's one of the reasons why I ordered this one. I don't think Babe has ever tasted this one before.
What does it mean? Nog mean something special or is just the brand? I mean,
Eggnog is the name of the drink.
What is egg? I know what is nog.
Is the name of the drink eggnog?
Okay, I believe it was a particular.
I don't think so.
Egg.
I don't think so. No.
Okay.
Because it's made from egg and milk and nutmeg and vanilla. Those are some main ingredients in it. So let's see how Tyler will like this because Tyler has never eaten eggnog before. So let's see Tyler's reaction.
That should be interesting. C'est bon?
You like it? C'est bon. He says c'est bon, meaning it tastes good. Can Mama have some? Everything. Okay, give Papa a taste. Papa taste. Don't take it from him, just taste it.
I'm analyzing what I'm about to say, but no, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not gonna give a plus, but I'm not gonna.
Does
give
it taste
any
like anything you have in France?
Not that I'm aware.
Okay, it's coming next.
Not that I'm aware. You have it's not bad. You have two different tests. The first test coming to your mouth and the second one. The first is very yummy and the second one is less good. So yeah, I can drink it, but
alright you guys, so there you have. Yes, it is for Tyler.
Tyler like it.
So Tyler like it. That's the next one we're going to try is Tigers. As kids growing up in Jamaica, we love Tigers, and it's really special. And also Tigger, we used to throw banana chips inside Tigers, so Tigger is a plus for me. Taste Tigger. We call it Tigers. Well, Tyler diving back. But Tyler, you haven't eaten the first one.
This one is okay. We have the same. We have the same here. Kind
Really?
Similar, yeah.
Which one of yours
I
tastes
don't
like
know
this?
the
What's the name?
name, but it is thing like we get it while when you take a drink or anything like
When
this.
you have to buy it, let me
with,
taste it.
A lot of cheese. Yeah, I can
You
get
want to
it.
taste
This
this
one is
one?
not bad.
Tell me
It's
you
not
like
something that
this.
you can because it's powerful in taste. But yeah, I can eat this one. All of them. If I have to choose one for now, I take this one.
Really?
I take this one over your bun and this one over your banana chips.
Alright. I'm not offended when you don't like it, so don't worry. Tyler said this one will open away. The next one we're gonna try is cheese crunchies. This is one of my mom's favorite. It never really my favorite growing up as a kid. I don't know, there's something about it that I'm not a huge fan of growing up as a kid, but I got it because I wanted Tyler to taste it. So I know it's my mom's favorite. My mom love cheese crunchies. Wait Tyler, wait, let mama pull it. So as you hear, it's called cheese crunchies, so you know what it's gonna taste like.
Give me some.
Let Tyler go.
Put up.
Oh, square, bravo. Put a lot in your mouth so you can taste it. Well, let me not say that because when we're doing the French one, I'm not gonna put a lot in my mouth. So do whatever you feel.
This one is. I think we have something similar in France too. I don't know the name because I don't know the name of these things. Don't used to get them. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's less. I choose Tigers over this, but this is not bad. I don't really taste the cheesy things. but it's okay. I give it's okay. I prefer the thicker.
Okay. Tell you like the cheese crunchies? You like it? You like this one?
Tell eat everything.
Everything. Alright. Alright, I
What
wipe
is
it up.
more is what Tyler choose after.
Right.
Test everything.
Okay, so this other one we're gonna try is tea biscuit. Tea biscuit is, for me, like it says, tea biscuit. You normally eat it for breakfast.
Tyler, you don't do that. You don't test the bag.
It's alright, let him stay. And as kids, we normally eat this chocolate. You soon get chocolate. We eat tea biscuit with cheese too a lot as kids growing up. I really don't remember what this one tastes like.
If you one difference with all of the French snack, most of the time when you go get biscuit at the supermarket, like half of them have chocolate in it.
That's the difference between us.
We have
Biscuit.
half of our biscuit have chocolate somewhere.
So true. Burn around. So this one, you just eat it as a snack any time of the day or whatnot. People eat it for breakfast or.
This one don't really have taste. In French, we have something. I know we have something named petit loup. Petit loup is like a regular square biscuit that we call for tea biscuit too. That's
it.
That's it. That's in square. That tastes like this one. It's not bad. It's not something that you will get. Like kid will love to go for it because it don't have strong taste and particular taste. But that's something that when you go in, you'll like it more.
Alright, the next one we're gonna try, this one is every kid growing up during my time and before my time used to love this one. This one, I think baby's going to find it special as we also find it special. We call this one, Jamaican style patois, police button. That's what we call this. It's I don't know what to really describe it as, but it's very tough. I don't know if Tyler is gonna like it, and it's very crunchy, but we love this growing up as kids. As kids, we used to purchase it and they used to we used to tell them how many of these little circles we want, and it depends on the amount of the circle we want. That's the amount that we'll pay to get whatever amount that we want. So this one is called police button W. Okay, Tyler, give me this one and taste this one. Look here.
Give me one.
Bite it. Bite. I don't think Tyler will be able to bite it. That's all. See, Tyler can't bite it. It's very tough.
A lot.
But I'm gonna bite it and give him peace and see if he. Alright, give it to Mama.
Maybe I can't bite it. Damn it.
It's very tough and it's very crunchy. The reason why it's called police button is because it's like the button of the police uniform on his outfit. Very tough and it's shaped the same. So
No,
I don't know if you, baby, you can't bite it with the front of your teeth. Impossible. You will never bite. You have to bite it with the corner of your teeth.
You need to have strong teeth to eat this.
Police button is very tough. You have to bite it with the corner of your teeth.
Not even a test, not a big fan.
Hey, that's fine.
I eat that if I'm starving, but otherwise.
I don't think Tyler is a fan of this one either. He's rolling it in his mouth, but
You can't eat that.
I have to bite it and give him. Tyler is just enjoying everything right
this
now.
is my last favorite of all them.
Even the bun?
Ah, it's tight, but at least I can eat the bone. Oh, you really call police button?
Yes.
No, because Jamaican when they see something, it looks like something, they like to call it that name, even if it's not the real name. You go into in Jamaica, you go into the bus station, they're gonna say it's New York Airport. So
True. That's true. Alright.
that's really the name. Okay.
Yes, that's what we call it for real, police button.
Okay.
Yes, so that's police button, guys. It's very tough. It's made from flour and sugar and stuff like that, but it have less liquid moisture in it when you're baking it, so it's very tough. So that's police button. The next one we're gonna try is fruits and nuts. And it's basically just fruits and nuts, but I was never a fan of fruits of nuts growing up. Don't ask me why, but let's try it just to get.
I just tested again the eggnog. The first test that I had was better than the test that I have now.
Maybe because of what you eat.
Yeah.
Since then, and like I said, this is just fruits and nuts, and it's peanuts and raisin and whatever else is in it. That's why we call it fruits and nuts.
We have things like this in France.
Yeah. I think they're everywhere, just fruits and nuts. But we eat it a lot as a snack.
Take from me.
Tyler, look. Take from Papa. No, I already ate.
Okay, I'll put it back in there.
Tyler will like this one because he loves raisins and he loves nut.
Okay, just a regular
Eat it, bite it.
nuts. We
bite
call it
baby.
in French. We call it cacahuète. It's like peanuts.
Yeah, it is peanuts.
And this is dry resin.
Yes.
The only thing is in France maybe it's more salty. It's not too salty here.
Okay.
Or you can get it salty, or you can get it. This is very common in France as a when you take a drink or anything like this. This is very common. So you have the green one, you have the salty one, you have the natural one. This is very common.
Okay, so the next snack we're going to try is, this one is very interesting. Funny enough, when I ordered my Jamaica package, I thought I ordered dried sorrel, but then I realized it's candied sorrel, and this is a new product that I've never seen before until I ordered these things. So it's the first, as a Jamaican, it's the first I'm trying this one. So then we'll get my reaction, Babe reaction, and Tyler reaction at the same time from this one. You ready to pull this up, Jen?
After. I'm sure I'm gonna need it after
Ah. So let's taste.
You know what it tastes like?
No.
Like prune. It's prune. No?
Not even close to prawn.
It's prune.
No.
It's a prune.
No.
It's a dry prune.
Funny enough, I wasn't expecting that taste, but knowing what sorrel drink tastes like, because that's the only way I've had sorrel. If you realize that I love the pizza nuts, that's the only way I've had sorrel growing up, was the drink. And knowing what the drink used to taste like, I wasn't expecting it to have this taste, but it's edible and it's not bad.
It's prune.
It's not bad at all. So I'm not going to be that sad that I ordered this and not dried sorrel that I wanted to make drink. But it's edible. Like Babe said, it tastes like prune. I've never had prune before, so I can't say it tastes like prune, but it tastes like a fresh version of raisin. That's what it tastes like.
It tastes like
to
prune
me.
for me.
Tell her bite it, baby. So it's not that bad. So you can go ahead and try it if you really want to try what it tastes like for the first time. It's not bad, and they say it have a lot of health benefits, so it's not bad. So there you go for the, and Tyler ate it, so it's not bad. Yeah.
Oh,
the last one, which is my favorite of them all. Okay.
Tyler
So
knows
let's
that.
pull this. Tyler? No, Tyler has never had it. Haha. So it's the first time Tyler is gonna have supper, Jen. And he's going to love it, I'm sure. Mwah. So, sup Jen for the win.
Tyler? Put her.
No, taste this one. Wait, taste this one. You want the eggnog. Baby loves Suppergen. Loves Suppergen. He had Suppergen before. Why you lying to the people, honey? Why are you lying? Why are you lying to the people?
No, this is so strange, you know? It's
Oh,
something
strange.
it's something when you test it just like this.
You want to go back for another taste?
You want to go back for another test, but in the same time, it's not something that you find so good at the test.
But you always drink it and you like it, so why is the
That's
first
why-
time hearing that?
And that's why I go back for it. But in the same time, when it's not that sweet, and you go back for another. I don't know why you go back for another one. Cause it's not that. You say it's not that good.
You guys, I don't know if you guys in the other countries you guys from, if I don't know if you guys have Suppergen, but Suppergen in Jamaica is everything growing up as a kid and even as adults. We always say we mix Suppergen with what we call home Malta, and we blend it together with peanut and we give it to our men to drink, and they said that drink make your man love you even more. Okay? And they say make your man strong. So yes, Suppergen. They say Suppergen and a whole make you strong. So we used to blend Suppergen with different kind of things and give to our man to drink.
Okay.
I want to tell her to try it, but tell her hook on the eggnog. You taste this, mama? Come. More? C'est bon! He said it's good, but he's still holding on to the
good in a way, like
yeah. Go. Which one? This one?
No. Tell his own favorite.
Tyler prefers
Kids.
eggnog over
Kids
something.
don't lie.
That's true. Alright, you guys. So there you guys have our French family tasting our Jamaican snack, my Jamaican snacks. And of course, Tyler like almost everything for the most part. Babe, I have mixed feelings about some of them. So. And of course, I don't mind because I am going to eat them all and then some. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, which is a little bit different from a usual vlog. But of course, we still have to give you guys something. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, catch up and keep up, and
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
tomorrow. Bye guys. Tyler, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.